So next thing here is replicate table. So the challenge here, write a SQL script to replicate the structure and data from dim product to a new table named as dim product 2. So how can we copy that? Even we need the data here. So just copying the structure, it can be helpful. We can make use of right click here, right click the table, and then a script table as create to, and then using a new query window, then it's going to return everything here about the how the script we need to create a table. And from here, we can change the name of the table. And then if you want to run this one, wherever we have color, change to color 2. And then if you run this one, then it's going to execute that. As simple as that. But here the challenge is we also need to do the data import. In that case, what we can do? The simple way is we need to use the other option, which is dim product they are saying about, right? Okay. Dim product and dim product 2. So let's go back to the database here. So select star from dim product. Who is already there? So I'm using here 3 in that case. Okay, so let's remove these things. Select star from dim product is showing up here 606 record. Now I want to insert the same thing into the other table. For that, it is simple. So select star. If this is going to be one-time entry from all this table and just copying the table with the data, select star from this table, right? Select star into dim product 3 from dim product. I'm just added only this one into dim product 3. Whatever the column, whatever the table name which you want to specify, you can specify here. So select everything and insert into this table. If I run this one, this is going to insert 606 record into dim product 3 here. So let's copy this one and then run this query. Select star from dim product 3. So I can see the 606 records available on this table. That's also pretty good. This is a quicker one, so we can make use of this select star into. All right, thank you so much for watching this till the end. And if you like this video, just hit the big thumbs up button. If you're new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.